Hi, welcome to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make a very delicious, simple breakfast, lunch or dinner. In Jamaica you eat it whenever you want to. Plantain porridge, okay? Some of you probably don't know what porridge is. It's like a cereal, but it's made from plantain. The green plantain, not the ripe one, okay? So today I'm going to use 2 plantain. I got nutmeg, got vanilla, cinnamon. If you got cinnamon stick, you can use it as well. It goes well with it. I got evaporated milk. You can use any other milk if you want. You can use coconut milk, flaxseed milk, regular sweetened condensed milk. So we're gonna go ahead now and show you how we peel the plantain. Some people peel it whole, but for me, I like to cut in half or 3 and peel it. All right, always cut on the top of it, the top of the plantain, so like that. When you peel it, you want to use like side of your finger to peel it like that. See that? Not the tip, like the side of it like that. Peel it. Come off much easier. Okay. So I'm gonna show you another one example. So it's very easy to peel, but you have to have the technique down as well. And when you cut it, try not to cut it too deep, because when you try to break it, you're going to lose a piece of the plantain, okay? So, yeah, real easy. Side fingers, okay? Side finger. Clean. See that? That's it. You just gotta be patient with it. Some of them might not want to come off, but be patient. You want to remove all the skin, okay? Alright. Okay, so now you want to cut them. Okay, you're going to put them in the blender, you're going to blend them, okay? Some people add cornmeal to it for thickening, some people add flour for thickening, but the plantain is a thickening agent anyway, so you don't need to really add anything into it. So we're going to start dropping them in the blender. You just want to add water to it. Nothing but water. Water is the best way to go. Okay? Make sure you cut them so it doesn't, don't blend properly. You want them to blend properly. Okay? You're in the blender. I'm going to pour water in there. Normally, water just a little bit above it. Not too much water. You want to put it a little bit above it, okay? That looks perfect for now. So we're going to blend this up. So yeah, so you see the puree, you want it to look like this. Smooth, as much as you can. Some people like to grate their banana and make a grated banana porridge on a grater. But I like to blend it. See how smooth it is? And nice. And the water got to be right as well, because you don't want it to be too liquidy. When you put it into the hot water on the fire, it's gonna get too liquid. You're not gonna be able to drink it like a porridge, okay? So now we're gonna add it to the pot. You gotta make sure your water is boiling, bubbling a little bit, okay? Not vigorously, but bubbling, because it's gotta go into hot water. Into cold water, no. It's gotta go into hot water, alright? So I'm gonna add it to it. And as you add it, you gotta whisk it in, okay? Because it will lump up as well. So let's keep whisking it. And pouring it, okay? Whisk and pour, whisk and pour. You can see the perfect consistency of the liquid, okay? Let's keep on pouring it. Yeah. Don't want to lose any of it. Make sure you get all of it in there, okay? Smells good. You saw it start getting thickened already? Yeah. That's why I say you don't need no thickening agent, because the plantain itself and the banana, when they're green, they're very starchy. So they're very thickened. And in Jamaica, this is one of our favorite like breakfast stuff. You can drink it whenever you want, lunch, breakfast, but we normally do it for breakfast, okay? 8 minutes. So 15 to 10 minutes is supposed to be like ready to cook for you to add the rest of the stuff. If you look, you can see the consistency right here, okay? And this is just the plantain on the water and a little bit of salt only at this stage. Perfect consistency, alright? So now we're gonna add some of the evaporated milk. In Jamaica we cook with a lot of evaporated milk. So I'm gonna put like a cup in here. And the evaporated milk add to the creaminess of it as well. See that? Nice. And you probably see a little like spot in there, and that's from the plantain. Because in the middle of the plantain there's something like seed, but it's not seed, but it look like seeds. Yeah. Stir it. Keep the consistency and make sure the milk is evenly inside of it. Okay, and let it go for another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add the seasoning and show you a finishing touch to it. So yeah, this is what you're looking for. Right now it's ready. Just need to get the seasoning or the spice. Okay, so we're putting some nutmeg. I'll grate some nutmeg in it. You don't want to put too much because it become a little bit numb when you taste it. You know, you put too much in there. Sweeten that up. Then I'm gonna have a little bit of cinnamon. That's perfect. Cinnamon gonna change the color a little bit. Get a little bit dark. Oh, smell real good. And even throughout the whole time, we try to keep the same consistency. See that? Yeah, same consistency. And I say if you need, you know, to make a bigger portion and you don't got enough plantain, you can add a little bit of cornmeal to it. Some people think they're flour, but this is just all plantain in this one, okay? Yeah. All right, so this is the final touch right here. I just dab a little bit of cinnamon in there. I got a little bit of chia seeds, and I got a dry apricot right here sitting in there. Just, you could put, if you want some raisin, you know, any kind of dry fruit inside of it, you know? This is Jamaican finest. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, even tell another friend to tell a friend. Thank you.